Hello students, good morning to all. Hope you all have enjoyed Janmashtami festival. So, in today's class, we are continuing with the chapter 2. And the chapter's name is Counting in Groups. So, today we are going to start with the part 2. And the topic is greater than, less than, equals to. So, students, in today's class, we will understand about the greater than, less than and equals to by comparing the numbers. Okay, so let's start. So students, when we are comparing the two numbers, we have to put a sign between them. Let us understand the signs of greater than, less than and equals to. So this one is the greater than and the sign of this is yes, as you can see on the screen, greater than sign. Now let's see the less than. So this is the less than sign. The next is equals to. So the sign of equals to is yes, as you can see on the screen, this is the sign of equals to. So before starting our exercise, let us understand some of the examples. Let's start with the easy one. So here students, two numbers are given. What are the numbers? 3 and 8. So compare these numbers. Which one is greater and which one is smaller? Yes, the 3 is smaller than the 8. So which sign will come? Yes, this sign will come. Okay students. So you can take both the way examples like that. 3 is less than 8 or 8 is greater than 3. Okay. Now let's see the second one. 10 and 5. So students, 10 is greater than 5. Okay. So this sign will come. The other one is yes, 25 and 79. So here we have to compare 25 and 79. So 25 is smaller than 79 or else you can say 79 is greater than 25. Okay, so let's see the sign. Yes, this sign will come. Okay, so 25 is less than 79. Now 157 and 190. So let's compare the 157 to 190. So here students, 157 is less than 190 or else you can say 190 157 से बड़ा है. Now the other one, yes, 487 and 390. So here students, identify कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है, 487 बड़ा है या 390? Yes, 487 बड़ा है. So let's see the sign. Yes, this sign will come. Okay, so we can say 487 is greater than 390. Okay. Now let's start with our exercise. The exercise number 1 is put greater than, less than or equals to. Okay students. Now first we will understand this and then we will write down in our maths notebook. Okay. So the A is 140-173. So students, in this exercise you have to compare the two numbers and in that blank you have to fill that blank with the sign. Now the first one A is 140-173. So here we have to compare 143 and 173. Okay. Now the B 222-265. So here we have to compare 222 with the 265. C 184-100. D 269-1 dash 237. E 199 dash 119. F 160 dash 106. G 254 dash 245. So here students, we have to now fill the blank with the help of the signs. Okay. Let's see the answers. Students, start writing in your maths notebook along with me. Okay. You have to mention the date and you have to write down chapter number 2, exercise 1. Okay. Don't worry, the PDF of this notes is also attached with the video. Okay. Yes, now here students, 140 is less than 173, or else you can say 173 140 से बड़ा है. B 222 is less than, छोटा है किससे? 265 से. यहाँ आप बोल सकते हो 265 222 से बड़ा है. C 184 is greater than 100, or else you can say 100 184 से छोटा है. D 269 and 237. Okay, so 269 237 से बड़ा है. E 199 and 119. Here students, the numbers are different. Don't get confused. Okay, 199 and 119 दोनों different numbers है. So 199 119 से बड़ा है. So 199 is greater than 119. F 160 and 106. Students, you can see the numbers 160 and 106. Okay, so compare it. 160 106 से बड़ा है. That means 160 is greater than 106. G 245 and 254. So 245 is smaller than 254. Here students, you have to put the signs. Okay, so just check the numbers, which one is greater. Okay, so in the first one, which one is greater? 173. Okay, then in the second one, which one is greater? 265. In the C, 184 is greater. Then 269 is greater. E, 199 is greater. F, 160 is greater. And in the last one, G, 254 is greater. Now, let's start with the exercise number 2. So now, we are continuing with the exercise number 2. Okay. Exercise 2 is also the same. Different numbers are given and we have to compare the two numbers and we have to fill the blank with the signs. Okay. So, start writing. Exercise number 2. Put greater than, less than or equals to. Okay, now the first one, A, 437 and 328. So students, you can compare 437 and 328. कौन सा बड़ा है उसमें से? B, 359 and 420. C, 367 and 367. This one is new na? 367 or 367 दोनों same है. So which sign will come students? Yes, equals to sign आएगी इसमें. D, 305 and 350. 305 and 350. Okay, so 350 यहाँ पे 305 से बड़ा है. E, 441 and 441. Here students, you can see these two numbers are the same. 441 and 441. These both numbers are equal to each other. F, 376 and 448. And the last one is 300 and 300. Okay, so let's see the answers. A, 437 is greater than 328. 437 328 से बड़ा है. B. 359 is less than 420. C. 367 is equals to 367. है ना students? दोनों numbers same है. So when the numbers are same, we use the equals to sign. D. 305 and 350. So 350 is greater than 305. E. 441 and 441. Here students, we have used the equals to sign. Why? Because these both numbers are the same. F. 376 and 448. So 448 is greater than 376. 448 376 से बड़ा है. G. 300 is equals to 300. है ना students? 300 and 300 दोनों same numbers है. जब आप compare करोगे, so they both are equals to each other. So students, here we have completed our exercise 1 and exercise 2. And we have understood about the greater than, less than and equals to sign. Now students, exercise 3 is your homework which is attached with the video. Okay. So we will continue with the part 3 in our next class.